This is the ISO hanging series magnetic sweeper. This ISO is unique because it has these linear actuators installed on each end of it. You can see there's one on the far side there and there's one over where I am. These linear actuators are used to lift the ISO up and down. Another unique feature about it is it has these bump wheels. So if you have the sweeper lowered into a sweeping position, you accidentally contact the ground, these bump wheels will hit the ground rather than damaging your magnet. This ISO is primarily designed for sort of the street sweeper commercial vehicle market. We've got it mounted on the front of our shop truck here just as a demonstration. We don't have a street sweeper, so we use what we have. There's various different mounting points on the ISO. You can see there's two big D-rings just off the end of each actuator right here. And these D-rings are used for putting chains on to stabilize the unit. And you want to have the chains so when the chains are tight, the sweeper's in its down position, so it's suspended by the chains. And you want to have these chains sloped in, both downwards and inwards. And this creates a very stable magnet position. So if you did hit something, I mean, this thing can still swing, but it really prevents most of the swing that you would have if you suspended just this from 2 points. So with 4 chains on it, all of them coming in at an angle, it's a very stable sweeper. The actuators on the ends here, you can just use a cordless drill on the end of them to lift them up and down. I'll demonstrate on this end. So right now this sweeper's in the sweeping position. As you can see, the chains are tight. If you wanted a lower sweeping height, we're sitting at about 4.5 inches here. That might be a bit too high. We recommend between 1 and 5, but between 2 and 4 inches, you're going to get your best performance for speed with a magnet. You want to make sure when you're in sweeping position, these chains are tight. That'll make sure it's stable while you're using it, as stable as possible. And then when you would have transported, or say you're going down the road or from job site to job site, you can just use this actuator on the end here to raise the sweeper up. You lift it around here. And now I've got this sweeper about 8 inches off the ground. And that's very acceptable for going down the road, say at highway speed or between job sites or between your yards. Right now, as you can see, it's only suspended by these 2 points, the strap that's inside the actuator and this clip on the end. But if this were to break while you're going down the road for some reason, you still have these 4 chains attaching the unit to your bracket. We just made up this bracket to attach to the front of the truck. Something similar like this, you could attach this to the main frame of your vehicle. Setting it up will be a little bit of work to start with, but once you get it mounted, the typical problem with most magnets is moving them or adjusting the height once they're mounted, but this solves this problem with this actuator. Another feature of this unit is that these bump wheels allow you to still use a quick clean off sleeve, which is this device here. So to remove the bump wheels, you can just pull this off. These 1/2 inch diameter stainless steel pins are stainless so that there's no magnetic circuit created between the steel bracket and here. It makes it effortless to remove. You can set this out of the way, and when you pick up your metal debris, then you can just slide the sleeve off lengthwise, and then all your metal debris comes off to one end. When you put your sleeve back on, you can reinstall your bump wheels. These wheels are rated at 300 pounds each. And you can do the exact same operation on the other end. Say you want to clean it off on this side. You can just remove the bump wheels on this side. And you pull the sleeve off this way. This ISO model, the performance, it'll pick up an 2.5 inch nail from 8.5 inches off the ground. That's just a bit of a performance specification. You don't want to sweep with it that high though, because you'd have to be basically going at standstill speed to pick up nails at that height. But if you keep it between 2 and 4 inches, you're really going to get some good performance. The model's available in 4 different widths, from 62 inches wide to 98 inches wide. We've got an 86-inch on the front of this truck here. You can see looking down the sides, it just sticks out a little bit so it covers the full width of the wheelbase. You can see the front wheels come in about here. So if you're had some metal debris, you could drive over top of it and pick it up before you drive it over with your wheels. But as I said before, this is typically sort of aimed between for the street sweeper market or commercial vehicle.